Investing in stocks as a student can be a valuable way to start building wealth and developing financial literacy. Here are some steps to consider when investing in stocks as a student. Educate yourself. Begin by learning about the basics of investing and the stock market. Read books, take online courses, and follow reputable financial websites to understand different investment strategies, concepts, and terminology. Start with virtual trading. Practice trading stocks using virtual trading platforms or stock market simulators. These platforms allow you to make virtual investments with simulated money, providing a risk-free way to gain experience and test your investment strategies. Set investment goals. Define your investment goals and objectives. Determine whether you're investing for short-term goals like buying a new gadget or long-term goals such as saving for college or retirement. This will help guide your investment decisions. Save and invest regularly. Allocate a portion of your savings toward investments. Consistently set aside money from your income or allowances to invest in stocks. Regular investing, even with small amounts, can have a significant impact over time due to the power of compounding. Utilize online brokerage accounts. Open an online brokerage account designed for students or individuals with limited funds. Look for platforms that offer low fees, educational resources, and research tools. Ensure the platform provides access to a wide range of stocks and investment options. Research and diversify. Conduct thorough research on companies before investing. Analyze their financials, market position, competitive advantage, and growth potential. Aim to build a diversified portfolio by investing in stocks across different industries to spread your risk. Monitor and learn. Stay informed about the market trends and news related to the companies you invest in. Regularly review your portfolio and make adjustments if needed. Treat your investments as a learning experience and seek to understand the factors driving stock performance. Practice patience. Investing in stocks requires patience and a long-term mindset. Avoid making impulsive decisions based on short-term market fluctuations. Instead, focus on the fundamentals of the companies you invest in and their long-term growth prospects. Seek guidance. Consider seeking guidance from a trusted adult, a mentor, or a financial advisor who can provide insights and help you navigate the complexities of investing. They can offer valuable advice and support as you build your investment knowledge and experience.